All right, we're gonna do some arms here. Okay, 2 good-sized balls here. 2 skewers because I would like to hold up the weight of the arm a little bit, especially if you're transporting it. So knead one of these bad boys up, roll it into a ball, and then put your hands this way and start to roll. What we want is it to be a little thicker on this end and a little thicker up here. You can almost see how that's an arm there. It's going to go from here and around the club, so this is going to be the hand. So what we'll do is just flatten this part a little bit. Take this tool here, the thumb should be up here, push in at the side for the thumb, and just kind of pull that apart a little bit. And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3 for the fingers, like that. And then if I want it to be about here, so I'll need a skewer right about there. And then I'll take some water, little water around that, little water where it's going to touch here. Place that right over the top and around. Felt a little movement on that, so I need to be careful on that. Right here, want to make a little crease here for his inner area of the elbow there. Look at it from the front, push this on a little more. My skewer's coming out a little bit, that means I need it to go in a little deeper, and then I can smooth over the top. So I have to remember that for the other side. Make sure I go in a little deeper. Sorry, it's coming out again, so I just pushed it in a little bit. Okay, concentrate on this. Make sure these get wrapped around. Keep an eye on this. Not a bad idea to take either a long skewer or a piece of spaghetti here. And so that stays there, kind of poke it in behind here. Keep hitting that cardboard. There we go. Just to get that to stay. Woo! Okay, other arm. Knead this up a bit. Okay, rolling so it's a little thicker here and here. Flatten this part. 1, 2, 3. The thumb, you pull out a little bit more. See, I push more in here for the thumb and then just here on top for the regular fingers. So this one, what do I want? Do I want him to be like this? Or do I want him to be like, where's the ball? Where did it go? That's kind of probably what they do, huh? Yeah, how about that? So do this about here. So it needs to go in pretty far. Some water on there. Okay, so push around the edge of it to get that on. Give him his little creases here. So if I go like this, create a little bit more of a elbow. Okay, so another piece of spaghetti or skewer right here. Place that over the top. And then the hand come up here, I think. And then I need another piece under that. So in here, and place that over the top and push in. Where'd the ball go? I know it's out there somewhere.